I'm Aria Cruz, and this is Cashmere Capital. Here we design wealth that creates freedom, not stress. Today, I'll show you how to understand credit like a wealth architect so you can make every choice count. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's architecture. Every payment, every limit, every decision you make shapes that structure, for better or for worse. Once you understand the blueprint, you can rebuild it with intention. Let's start with the structure, the 5 pillars of your credit. Number 1, payment history. It's your foundation. Pay on time, every time. Number 2, utilization. That's how much of your available credit you're using. Keep it under 30%, lower is even better. Number 3, length of credit history. The longer your accounts stay open, the stronger your structure. Number 4, new credit inquiries. Too many at once can weaken your frame. Number 5, credit mix. A healthy variety, like credit cards, auto loans, or a mortgage, adds balance. Now here's how to strengthen that structure. With those pillars in place, make sure to set up auto pay for everything. Late payments are silent wrecking balls. Keep balances low, ideally under 10% of your limit. Ask for credit limit increases every 6 to 12 months, but don't spend the extra room. Never close old accounts. Their age helps your score grow. And if you're new to credit, try Experian Boost or rent reporting tools to build positive history. Most people treat credit reactively. They only think about it when they need it. Architects don't build that way. They plan, they maintain, they design for longevity. That's how you should treat your credit, as a living structure that deserves care. Good credit isn't just about a high number, it's leverage. It gives you access to lower interest rates, better rewards, business funding, and opportunity. Think of it as financial oxygen. Use it strategically, not recklessly. Twice a year, pull your credit report. Review it like a designer reviews a prototype. Ask yourself, what's strong? What needs work? What can I simplify? Small improvements add up fast. Understanding credit isn't about fear, it's about design. When you see money as something you can shape, not something that controls you, everything changes. That's wealth by design. If this helped you rethink your credit, follow Cashmere Capital for more frameworks that turn money into freedom. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you'll change about your credit design this month?